Hi, I'm Ray. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this speckled Easter egg French tip manicure. I'm going to start by listing the supplies I used, but you can use something similar if you don't have access to these exact items. I used Hollow Taco Long-Lasting Base Coat, Sally Hansen White Tea, Hollow Taco Glossy Taco. From Sally Hansen I used Watermelon Felon, Daisy Dukes, Jam Sesh, Mint Refresh, and Aquamarine. And Maniology stamping polishes, Cherry Bomb, Pistachio, Lily Pad, Mercury Baseline, and Baroque. OPI Matte Top Coat. Clear Jelly Stamper Plate 183, recycle this, and French tip nail vinyls and some masking tape. I'm going to start with removing my old manicure. I unroll a cotton ball and cut it into pieces. I'll wet a piece of cotton in acetone and cover each nail, trying to keep the acetone off my skin as much as possible. Cover it with a clip and allow it to soak. Since this polish has a lot of glitter, it will be more difficult to remove, so I'll soak it for about 10 minutes. After soaking, remove the clips and wipe off the polish. Remove any remaining polish with a cotton swab dipped in acetone. Gently push back the cuticles, then file the nails to shape with an emery board and finish the edges with a nano file. Apply a base coat. This will help prevent staining and will help the manicure last longer. I like to let each coat dry for about 10 minutes before I apply the next coat. Apply a sheer white polish. I do apologize for the video quality here. I'm going to go ahead and speed through it. Allow that to dry and apply a quick dry top coat. This will dry the layers underneath of it, and it will protect the base color from being pulled off by the vinyls. Remember to wrap the polish around the tip of your nail as well. This will help keep it from chipping, and your manicure will last longer. Dry this layer until it's cured. I recommend at least 20 or 30 minutes, but I dried mine overnight. Carefully place the French tip vinyls on your nails. I place mine with tweezers, then move them to the position I want them to be in before pressing them down with a silicone cuticle pusher. These need to be pressed down completely so that there are no gaps between the vinyl and the nail. Polish will seep underneath any spaces, and that will make the line messy instead of neat and clean like the one we want. Paint the area past the vinyl with the pastel nail polish. I chose my colors randomly, but on my left hand, from my pinky to my thumb, my colors were pink, green, yellow, purple, and blue. It is fine to paint on top of the vinyl, but for this look, you do want to avoid letting the polish go over the back edge of the vinyl. Allow it to dry. I'm using the modeled image on the bottom left of my stamping plate, which is Clear Jelly Stamper number 183. Before you start stamping, take a piece of masking tape and cut the end in a semicircle. This will protect the white part of the nail so that it doesn't get stamping polish on it. Apply a second coat of color to your first nail, remembering to wrap the tip. Let it dry until it's tacky, usually about 2 to 3 minutes. Gently place masking tape over the white part of the nail. Overlap the lower edge of the vinyl a little bit, but be careful not to touch the wet polish. Using the stamping polish that coordinates with the tip, apply it over the modeled design on your stamping plate. Scrape the polish, pick up the design with your stamper, and stamp it on the nail. Gently take off the masking tape, then quickly remove the nail vinyl with a pair of tweezers. Make sure you clean your plate between each stamp. Repeat these steps for each nail. Apply a second coat of pastel polish. Dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Place the masking tape. Stamp the design with coordinating stamping polish. Remove the masking tape and quickly remove the nail vinyl. Let the tips dry for about 10 minutes. Apply a smudge-free top coat over only the stamped design. This will help keep the design from smearing when applying a long-lasting top coat. Now this top coat is water-based and will start to peel after a few days, so it does need another coat on top of it, and don't wrap the tips with the smudge-free top coat. Let this dry, and apply a quick dry top coat, making sure to wrap the tips with this one. This will help the layers of polish underneath to cure properly, and will help your manicure last longer. Give it time to dry, and then apply a matte top coat. Matte top coat is not a protective coat like quick dry top coat is, so you will need both types to get the right finish and longevity. And let your last coat dry. I did the colors in a different order on my second hand to get that true Skittles feel to the manicure. And I always like to finish my manicures with a cuticle oil or balm, so I'll be using Burt's Bees Cuticle Balm today. Make sure you take a few pictures because you worked hard on this. I would absolutely love to see your version of this manicure. If you use the hashtag RayIDidThem on Instagram, I may feature your work in one of my upcoming videos. Check my description below for product links and discount codes, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Much love.